Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Camaro. If you love to drive, you will love this Camaro. It has an unmistakably provoking look with bold lines, muscular haunches, and dual exhaust. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. V8 engine, rear-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, Chevrolet MyLink external memory control, manual telescoping steering column, Apple CarPlay, and manual transmission. Automobile notes, all of the Camaros we drove had crisp turn-in and linear steering response. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.